Hey y'all, it's Sarah with Papercraft Junkie, and today I wanted to show you how I printed the paper to make this little bitty journal from my vintage winter birds kit, which is gorgeous with these little cardinals and little birds. Super pretty. So what I did when I printed it is I printed it for pages. When you print it, you can choose how many pages per page. And I chose 4 pages per page. So it's 1/4 of a piece of paper, right? And then I just cut them into fourths. And then I used a craft envelope that I had that was about 4 by 6, 4 by 6.5, a little more than 4. And I cut off a 1/2 inch. I cut 1/2 inch off one end, and that made this little bitty mini journal. It's not a mini, this is a mini, right? Because I always include a mini journal in each of my kits, and so the mini journal became even more mini. That looks kind of cute. I kind of like how that goes together. Put the mini journal on top of here. So I will show you what I did. I had some blue twine. I thought that went really cute with this cover. So the cover, again, was the craft paper. I glued the cover, I glued the envelope down. I took the cover piece. You can always tell in my kits, the cover piece has the faux sewing on it. I didn't feel like I had cut this one correctly, so I cut another one. And so the faux sewing is the cover and the back cover, the front cover and the back cover. Those are always my cover pieces with the faux sewing on them. And then I cut apart those pieces so that I could glue them down individually. And then I cut apart this piece that I printed out so that I could glue that down. Also this, by using an envelope and cutting off one end, I have some little storage space in here where I could put that mini journal, or I could put other things that I haven't quite used. This is probably too big. Oh no, look, he fits right in there. My little pocket that holds all my extra stuff. Yeah, so cut off a 1/2 inch, cut apart all your pieces of paper, cut 2 of them completely apart. And then for the signature, I just took the other pages, which are blank. You could totally print them. Of course, the dogs are gonna bark. You could totally print them double-sided. I did not print them double-sided because if you've seen some of my other videos, I'm kind of into glue books too. Oh, look, my fingers were dirty. And so I thought that I could use maybe my Christmas ephemera glue book, or ephemera cut and collage book, and kind of do some glue booking along with my little journaling. Aren't these pages so pretty? The little winter berries. I put lines. So the way I cut mine out, every other page is a lined page where you can journal. Little red bird in the tree. Another little cardinals in the tree. Cardinals are good luck for the new year. This is kind of my new year into the winter, going into winter, done with Christmas kit. What I was thinking when I designed this vintage winter birds kit. So yeah, so if you just print the kit 4 pages per page, it comes out very small. Look at these itty bitty postcards, are so cute. Obviously I haven't decorated mine quite yet. And then I have these little, I tied some twine when I was playing with twine. So I tied some twine on there. And then my mini journal here, which is pretty mini at this point. Put my little, oh, nope, you're a pocket for that side, aren't you? Okay, here's a little pocket I put together. And put little pockets in there. These are so small. Look how small these are. I need to put some twine on this little bitty tag. I was trying to keep them separate, my mini journal stuff, so I didn't mix it all in. But yeah, this is my vintage winter birds kit, and how to create a little little size journal. Sometimes, I don't know, I like to do different sizes. I like the big ones because I can put stuff in them, but I also like the mini ones because they just are super duper cute. Oh, how cute is that? All right. I hope that you have fun playing with my vintage Winterbirds kit too, and I will see you soon. Thanks.